Hi and welcome to a new video. Snapchat has recently launched its paid service Snapchat Plus with some new features. In this video, I'll go over each feature inside the new subscription plan and show you how they work. Let's go. Following the steps of other messaging apps like WhatsApp and Telegram, Snapchat released its premium subscription called Snapchat Plus on June 29, 2022. There are new features like Ghost Trails on the Map, Best Friends Forever Pin, Story Rewatch Indicator, Custom App Icons, Snapchat Plus Badge, Friend Solar System, and Snapchat for Web. Before you start using Snapchat Plus, make sure you have installed the latest Snapchat version, which is 11.89 or newer. To check if you're on the latest version, open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon. Go to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see your Snapchat's version details. Go back and select the Snapchat Plus card from the options. The price for Snapchat Plus ranges from $4 per month, $22 for 6 months, to $40 per year. The good news is that they also offer a 7-day free trial subscription on which you can test out and get a feel of the new features within 1 week. But don't forget to cancel the subscription in case you don't want to use it longer. Another thing to take note of is that Snapchat Plus is currently only available in a few countries including US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. If you choose to sign up to a premium plan, you will be asked to verify your billing information, so just fill everything out. After subscribing, you need to exit the app and open again for Snapchat Plus to be fully activated. Now, let's start exploring all the features of Snapchat Plus. First is the Ghost Trails function on the Snapchat map. With this, you can see your friend's location history for the past 24 hours, if he shared his position with you. I have recorded a separate video about this feature, so if you want to know more about how this works, click on the tag in the upper right corner or check out the link in the description below. The second feature is called the Best Friends Forever Pin, which allows you to pin a specific friend as your #1 best friend in the chat box. To do this, simply press and hold on the chat panel of your friend's name and tap on Pin as your #1 best friend. After that, you will see an emoji attached next to your friend's profile icon, indicating that you have pinned him as your #1 best friend. When you use this feature, please note that this pin will only be visible on your end, and pinning can only be done for one friend at a time. The third feature is the Story Rewatch Indicator, which allows you to view how many of your friends have rewatched your posted snaps on your Snapchat story. I have recorded a separate video about this feature as well. So if you're wondering how this feature works, feel free to click on the tag in the top right or check out the link in the description. Another feature in Snapchat Plus is the Custom App Icons or Themes. Once subscribed to Snapchat Plus, you will be given a variety of customized app icons to choose from. To view your options, go to your profile's dashboard. Tap on your Snapchat Plus membership card and select the App Icon menu. After the selection, it will apply as your Snapchat app icon on your phone's home screen. The next feature is the Snapchat Plus Badge, which is represented by a black star icon beside your profile name to give you distinction as a premium subscriber. By default, Snapchat Plus Badge is disabled. But if you want to let your friends know that you're a Snapchat Plus subscriber, go to your membership card settings and enable Snapchat Plus Badge. Your friends will be able to see your badge as long as they're on the latest Snapchat version. The next feature is called the Friends Solar System, which allows you to rank your friends as planets. There are 2 possible badges that may appear on your friendship profile. The badge can be either Best Friends or Friends. A Best Friends badge means that you and your friend are both within each other's 8 closest friends. These friends are those who you often snap or chat with. You can distinguish it from the golden ring around your friend's name. On the other hand, a Friends badge with a silver ring represents that you're one of their closest friends, but they're not one of yours. If you tap on your badge, you will see your planet representation that indicates which order you are as their friend. So each position is represented by the 8 planets in the solar system. If you see your rank is, for example, the planet Venus, means that you're their second closest friend. You, the owner of the account, will be represented as the sun. Keep in mind that you and your friends can only view Friend Solar System if you both have a linked Bitmoji. The last feature in Snapchat Plus is their Snapchat for Web, which gives you the privilege to chat, call friends, and more from your desktop. This feature is actually still on the beta testing stage, but as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you will be given early access and sneak peek of the Snapchat functions using your PC. If you're one of those who enjoy beta testing, this feature will be the most exciting for you. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.